Well, good morning. As you can see, kind of looks like we're going to a swap meet. Got a handful of parts and got our new motor loaded in the truck, and we have found a dyno. So luckily the guy says he can get us in next week. So the price he shot me in that time frame, it's gonna work perfect. So we're headed to Kentucky. Thanks for coming back. We're in Brandenburg, Kentucky at Competition Automotive, and I'm standing here with Matt McCullough, and he has taken my motor and put it on the dyno, and pretty impressed really with how everything turned out. can't wait to hear her run, and you guys are going to hear her run right now because Matt was nice enough to video one of the dyno pulls.
Yep.
What were the final numbers, Matt?
It made 475 horsepower at 4,900 and like 542 foot-pounds of torque, and it carried that pretty much throughout the whole RPM range. It was right in that, it was over 500 from the start of the pull to the end of the pull. So it's a torque monster, and it's all on pump gas.
Yep. Should work out pretty good. Like you said, I see we had 520 foot-pound of torque at 2,800 RPM. But I appreciate everything you've done for me, and I will be back to see you.
Well, sounds great, man. I appreciate that.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Thank you.